All right, we're out here at Heritage Park. We just checked out the dropout spot at Dravo Park, and it's looking good. There's some other whitewater kayakers here today, and they said the water level is good today. So we got Gabe here right now. We're going in the canoe that he basically restored. We're just waiting for Mason to show up with some other kayakers.
Yeah, so bought this canoe from a guy who built it in probably the 1950s, and then had to refurbish it. So sanded down the old paint, the old resin coat, and patched some areas in the fiberglass, and then I re-epoxy coated it, and then repainted it, and redid all the woodwork with some ash wood. It's a hardwood, good for canoes like this because it doesn't rot really easily. And I did all the webbing, and yeah, so we can check it out actually.
Tell me how long it took to restore it.
It took about 3 weeks, 4 weeks of just nonstop on the weekends, every single day. So definitely quite a bit of time, but she's unsinkable. Called the Sekakawea. So this piece that juts out right here, it's made of cork is on the inside of there, and so it helps with the buoyancy and makes the ship virtually unsinkable.
All right, Mason showed up with his kayaks. We got Mason and Zach over here. They're ready to go.
Cold out here, Nate. What's going on, man?
We just went through the first mini rapid. It scared me so bad in this canoe that I didn't even have my GoPro rolling.
Dude, the bridge is gonna be hopping today.
Yeah, we're gonna sink this thing at the bridge, that's for sure.
Huh?
We're gonna sink this at the bridge.
Not you are? Not you.
Dude, you were just telling us how it was unsinkable.
It is unsinkable. Dude, the bridge is gonna be nice.
For you.
I'm not getting out of this.
That's what you're going.
I'm surprised you don't have a skirt today.
What?
You don't have a skirt for yours?
No, I need to get me a bigger trash.
Dude, you're gonna go down.
I thought about the trash bag, but
You're gonna...
I'm gonna
trash bags. All right, we're coming up on rapids number 2 here. Oh, this is scary. It's moving quicker. It's actually heavier here, and it's still not bad.
You've
But
got to break that rapid line.
yeah, I know. Get her going. Oh man, we're gonna get wet on this one. Dude, what? We're gonna die. What are we doing?
I don't know.
Are we gonna tip?
No.
You said you're steering. We don't know what we're doing yet.
No, I think the river just did that to us. Did you take a lot of water on that?
No. We haven't taken on water. We just, I just got a little splashed.
Okay. Yeah, that was interesting. Every wave was in a different direction.
Yeah, just wait till we get to the bridge. See, I got him doing all the hard work back here.
Oh boy.
This is awesome.
Where's the sun at?
I don't know. Good. We're spinning left here. Oh boy. Yeah, we didn't want to go down that. Keep it going right. Take her right. Okay, that's good, that's good. Bear more right, I think. Keep her right, away from that. It's gonna get bad right past the bridge here, so. Keep it going right, spin it right. Okay, that's good, that's good. Just hit the wave straight on. All right. We're straight, we're straight. Woo!
Oh yeah.
Keep her going, keep her.
Body weight. When we take on water, it's just easier.
Yep, keep her going, keep her going.
All right, we got some water here. It's gonna tip,
They're way back there.
it's gonna tip easier with the water we have.
I know, oh my goodness.
Mind your body weight.
Go right, go right, go right. We don't want to be in there.
Oh no.
What?
Crap, we're already there. All right, good.
Keep it going, paddle, paddle, paddle. Woo! Somebody tipped back there, I think. Yeah, I think one of them went over. Oh. All right, we're stopped at the shore here. We emptied some water out. Somebody went in, and it's cold water, but we're all right.
So that you can get warm.
Tip her up, side down, or?
Do you think you can lift her out?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's tip her right down first. You're dumping that out. Oh boy. Right. That was a lot of water in there, dude. Did you guys dump it at the
Yeah.
Yeah. Hold on, hold on.
All right.
Shout out to the corn offs. It was good, you know, normal stuff. You know, some people might or may not have flipped in.
The water was great. It was so warm. It was awesome.
Ready to get the jet skis out for the season.